How to stop apps from auto-closing in background. Firstly, open Settings in your device. In Settings, scroll down. Now look for the option Battery. Click on the option Battery. Here you will see different options like these. Scroll down and here you will see all the apps that are consuming battery. Click on the option View Detail to view all the apps. Now here you will find all the apps that are using battery. Look for the app for which you would like to stop auto-closing. Click on the app and here you will see the option Background Usage Limits. Turn on this option. Now you can also select Put to Sleep or Put in Deep Sleep. Now go back to the battery page. Now here you will see the option Battery Protection. Turn on this option. Now go back to your setting page and scroll down. Look for the option Apps and click on it. Go to the app you would like to stop auto-closing. Then you will land to the app info. Scroll down and click on the battery option under the section Usage. Inside battery, you will see three options like these. If you want to allow this app to use battery in the background without restriction, choose the first option. Doing this will allow the app to run in background, preventing it from auto-closing. Another thing that you need to make sure is to turn off Energy Saver. Roll down your notification bar and if you have enabled the option Power Saving, then turn off that option. That's all for today. Thank you.